Good day, kids. Can you find a number of triangles in just a few seconds? That will be our lesson today. This is a triangle. As the name implies, it has three sides. It has a base and it has a height. This horizontal line will make the number of triangles double. Points A, B, and C make a triangle, and it has one base. For this example, we have 1, 2 bases. Therefore, the total number of triangles is equal to 3. Paano nakuha natin ang 3? Simple lang. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Kung kailangan nyo lang alamin ay ang number ng base. Can you see the total number of triangles in this diagram? In this figure, we can form 3 triangles. And another 3 triangles here in this figure. When combined, we can make 6 triangles. Now, can you see the additional triangles other than the 6 ones? The first triangle I can form is A, B, C. Can you still find additional triangle? Yes, of course. A, D, and C. Therefore, there are 2 additional triangles. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8 as the total number of triangles we can form from this figure. How about this one? Ano na nga pala ang gamit ng horizontal line na ito? Siyempre, ito ang magdodouble ng number of triangles ng figure. Buo natin ng 3 triangles. Ngayon naman ay maglalagay tayo ng horizontal line. Ilan ang mabubuo nating triangles? Any idea? Yes, we have 6 all together. Let us name all the 6 triangles that we can form from this figure. There you have it, the 6 triangles that we can form from this figure. Another example, sa palagay ninyo, ilan ang triangles that we can form? Una sa lahat, count muna natin ang number of bases. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Therefore, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, plus 3 is equal to 6, plus 4 is equal to 10. Ano kaya kung dalawang ganito ang ipinagdugtong ko sa bawat isa? Ilan triangles ang mabubuo natin? Ano kaya ang silbi o significance ng horizontal line? Mamaya, malalaman natin kung ano ang kanyang role o significance ng horizontal line. Tingnan mabuti. Ang horizontal line ay nawala. Meron pa kayo tayong mabubuong additional triangle. Kapag nawala ang horizontal line, wala tayong mabubuong additional triangle. For this figure, we have a total of 24 triangles that we can form. How many triangles can we form from this figure? Without the horizontal line, we have 10. Double it, it makes 20. I'm sure you are so much familiar with finding the number of triangles. We have 3 bays, so 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. In this figure, you have to double the number of triangles because of the horizontal line. Get 12 triangles. Now it's your turn to find the number of triangles from the different figures I made for you. In this video, we will be having a short quiz on a specific topic. It is shortened to 10 items only, and you are expected to finish in 30 seconds. There will be no answer keys, for they will be discussed with your teacher. Label your answers with the video ID and the date when you took the quiz. Good luck! This project is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Ito ay libreng serbisyo mula sa inyong lingkod para sa kabataang Pilipino. Para makamit ang tagumpay, kailangan tulong-tulong tayo. Upang maging epektibo ang iyong pag-aaral, kailangan i-monitor ninyo ang speed ng bawat take ng exam. Ready? Item number 1. How many triangles can you form from this figure? You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 2. How many triangles can you form from this figure? You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 3. How many triangles can you form from this figure? You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 4. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 5. How many triangles can you form from this figure? still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 6. How many triangles can you form from this figure? You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 7. How many triangles can you form from this figure? You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 8. How many triangles can you form from this figure? You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 9. How many triangles can you form from this figure? You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 10. How many triangles can you form from this figure? You still have 5 seconds to finish. Congratulations! Now let us wait for your teacher to discuss these items. This project is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Just remember, this is my personal advocacy and it is free. Anyone may join.
Thank you, Sir Edward, for your dedication, patience, and time for mentoring Elijah and all the IVFC kids. It means so much to us parents. We are very lucky to be part of your IVFC family. Your advocacy to help children to be their best in solving math problems is very helpful. Thank you very much and God bless.
Thank you po, sir, sa matyagang pagtuturo sa amin araw-araw. Madami po ako natutunan na technique simula sa mali po ako sa IVFC. Ito po ay nakatulong sa akin na makakuha ng gold award sa Vedic Math Competition. Huwag po sana kayong magsasawang magturo sa katulad namin kabataan. God bless po.
With much pride, I am presenting you the IVFC kids who were awarded in the first International Vedic Math Competition, which was held last September 11, 2021. IVFC kids, congratulations! Ipagpatuloy ang nasimulan at huwag hihinto habang walang ginto. For parents who are interested with our program, kindly search on our FB page called IVFC Info Page. This program is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children.